Songs have been used to preserve culture and history across generations.
Deuteronomy chapter 32. Later on, Moses is now going to come and he's now going to introduce the people to God. Deuteronomy chapter 32 is known as a psalm of Moses. You know, Moses wrote psalms. And this is one. Now, why did they write psalms? Well, one of the reasons they wrote psalms was they didn't have the written material. They didn't have books. They didn't have notebooks that you could write in. So what they would do is that they would write psalms and songs. In Africa, in rural Africa, it works the same way. If they want to pass on history, they want to pass on culture, they want to pass on truth, they'd write songs and then they teach the people the songs, and then that would be passed on from one generation to another generation, and that's how truth or how culture was going to go on. So this is what happens here. See, Moses here, he's now writing a psalm, and listen to what he writes here. And he's introducing the people of Israel to God.